Good day, everyone. My name is Hanijin V. Magusara, and today's presentation we tackle about the role of corporate social responsibility or CSR and hospitality. So, the role of corporate social responsibility or CSR in hospitality has become a crucial aspect of the hospitality industry, reflecting a commitment to ethical practices, sustainability, and community engagement. As consumers increasingly prioritize social responsibility in their purchasing decisions, the hospitality sector must adapt to meet this expectation. So, social responsibility has become a crucial aspect of the hospitality industry, reflecting a commitment to ethical practices, sustainability, and community engagement. By adopting environmentally friendly initiatives, supporting local communities, and ensuring fair treatment of employees. Businesses can align with the growing consumer demand for socially responsible practices. As travelers increasingly prioritize companies that demonstrate care for the planet and society, the hospitality sector must adapt to meet these expectations, incorporating sustainable sourcing, waste reduction, and cultural preservation into their operations to remain competitive and relevant. The importance of CSR and hospitality. So first is building trust and loyalty. CSR initiative boosts brand loyalty by aligning with customers' values, leading to increased customer retention and willingness to pay a premium for sustainable options. So we have example of building trust and loyalty. So the example is tourist destination. First is transparent communication. A tourist destination provides clear information about pricing, booking policies, and any changes in services, building trust with visitors. So second is consistent and reliable customer service. Staff are trained to offer personalized experiences, resolving issues promptly and ensuring tourists feel value and heard. The third is reward and recognition programs. The destination offers a loyalty program where repeat visitors get discounts, VIC access, or special offers to encourage return trips. Fourth is local community engagement. The destination supports local businesses and cultural initiatives, showing tourists that their visit positively impacts the community. And the five is sustainability and ethical practices. By implementing eco-friendly practices and promoting sustainable tourism, the destination attracts visitors who share these values, strengthening trust and loyalty. The second one is enhancing brand image. CSR enhances a company's reputation, making it more appealing to potential guests with positive media coverage and community involvement, contributing to favorable public perception in a competitive market. So, example is Chiding's Peanut. Chiding's Peanut is a popular Filipino brand known for its high quality roasted peanuts. It's a staple snack and souvenir, especially for those visiting Iligan City, where the brand originated. Here's how Chiding's Peanuts enhances its brand and maintains customer loyalty. So, enhancing the Chiding's brand first is consistency in quality. Chiding's renowned for its fresh, perfectly roasted peanuts with a signature flavor that customers can trust every time. And the second is authenticity. The brand emphasizes its roots in Iligan City, connecting with Filipino heritage and creating a sense of pride for its consumers. Third is Chiding's uses simple, recognizable packaging that highlights its homegrown and authentic nature, appealing to both local and international buyers. Fourth is souvenir appeal. Tourists often buy Chiding's as pasalubong or souvenir gift, enhancing its brand association with travel and special occasions. Fifth is wide distribution. While based in Iligan City, Chiding's peanuts are available in various parts of the Philippines and online, increasing accessibility and recognition. So the result is Chiding's has become a beloved household name by focusing on quality, authenticity, and tradition, making it a lasting favorite among Filipinos. So lastly is employee satisfaction and retention. Companies prioritizing CSR boosts employee morale, reduce turnover, and foster a sense of pride in the workplace, resulting in improved service quality and customer satisfaction. So example is Alemania Hotel. First is comprehensive employee training and development. So Alemania Hotels offers continuous training programs to help employees build skills and advance their careers. The hotel might have a structured career path where employees can start as trainees and move into managerial position with the right skills and experience. So second is competitive compensation and benefits. The hotel offers a competitive salary along with health benefits, retirement plans, and incentives such as bonuses based on performance or customer feedback. Third is employee recognition and appreciation. So Hotel Alemania has an Employee of the Month program and organizes quarterly celebration to honor staff achievements. This could also include thank you notes or shoutouts during team meetings. Fourth is positive work culture and environment. The hotel prioritizes a supportive and inclusive work environment, ensuring that all employees feel respected and part of a team. Management regularly holds open door sessions to address employee concerns. Fifth is work life balance and flexible scheduling. Alemania Hotel provides employees with flexible working hours, particularly for those with families commitments. They offer time off for personal needs and encourage employees to take vacation to recharge. And last is career progression and mentorship. The hotel may offer mentorship programs where senior employees guide newer team members. They might also encourage participation in industry events or conferences. The key areas of CSR in hospitality. Number one is environmental sustainability. So, energy efficiency, implementing energy saving measures such as LED lighting and low flow fixtures can significantly reduce a hotel's carbon footprint. Guests are increasingly seeking accommodations that prioritize environmental sustainability and waste reduction. Reducing single use plastics and promoting recycling initiatives are essential steps for hotels aiming to minimize their environmental impact. Many guests appreciate efforts to reduce waste during their stay. Number two, community engagement. So, local support. Hotel can invest in local communities through charitable contribution or partnerships with local organizations. This not only helps those in need but also fosters goodwill among guests who appreciate community focused businesses. And cultural respect. Engaging with local culture and respecting community values enhances the guest experience while promoting sustainable tourism practices. This approach can differentiate a hotel from its competitors. Number three is employee well being. So, fair labor practices. Ensuring fair wages and working conditions for staff is a fundamental aspect of CSR. Companies that treat employees will tend to have better service outcomes and lower turnover rates. And diversity and inclusion. Actively promoting diversity within the workforce can enhance creativity and innovation while also appealing to a broader customer base. The benefits of CSR and hospitality. First is increased customer satisfactions. Studies show that socially responsible practices lead to higher customer satisfaction levels, which can translate into repeat business and positive reviews. And the second is competitive advantage. In an industry caused by high competition, effective CSR strategies can provide a significant edge by attracting socially conscious consumers who prioritize ethical consideration in their travel choices. And lastly is long-term profitability. While initial investment in CSR made a significant, the long-term benefits include enhanced brand loyalty, improved employee retention, and increased operational efficiencies that contribute to overall profitability. So, in conclusion, the hospitality industry must integrate corporate social responsibility for sustainable growth, focusing on environmental sustainability, community engagement, and employee well being. Companies that embrace CSR are better positioned for success in the future as consumer expectations evolve. And that's the end of my presentation. Once again, my name is Hanijin V. Magusara. Thank you for watching and listening. God bless us all. Bye.